Hey, have you ever wondered why the Earth is getting hotter in the summer and colder in the winter? It's because of climate change. Climate change is a long-term change in the Earth's climate, especially due to change in the increase of the average temperature. An example of climate change is the melting glaciers in the Arctic getting affected by rising temperatures. Carbon dioxide is an odorless gas, known as CO2, that is produced through combustion and respiration. When humans produce an overwhelming amount of carbon dioxide, the world climate changes. Global warming is a gradual increase in the overall temperature in the Earth's atmosphere, generally attributing to the greenhouse effects caused by the increased levels of carbon dioxide and other pollutions.
Hello, it's me, Eric Cruz. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the carbon footprint. The carbon footprint is defined by the amount of greenhouse gases emitted due to the consumption of fossil fuels by a certain person or group. The greenhouse gases are only able to stay trapped on Earth because of the atmosphere. The atmosphere allows some gases back out and others bounce back into the Earth. The greenhouse effect causes global climate change.
Hey, it's Ryan here. Have you noticed how hot it's been lately? I have, so I did some research. It's because of the global effect of climate change. The impact is huge on the Earth because it's rapidly destroying natural habitats. Just in the last year, there were over 19 floods in the US. Before, there were 15. And over 91 weather, climate, or geological disasters in the US, and over 250 fatalities last year due to it. Fun fact, 2017 was the hottest year in the world.
Thermal radiation is when thermal motion of a particle creates electromagnetic radiation. Thermal radiation is also known as heat. It emits radiation waves from the sun. It has to be greater than the absolute zero. The Earth also emits thermal radiation but at lower sensitivity than the sun. An example of thermal radiation is a light bulb. A light bulb emits both visible light and infrared light. So it'll give out light to see and it'll give you light to warm you up. Absorption is when something is being absorbed or the process of something absorbing something else. A carbon sink is a reservoir that takes up the carbon from the atmosphere and it puts it at the bottom of the reservoir. The carbon sink uses the absorption to absorb the carbon and put it in the reservoir.
Thanks for your time, and I hope you learned about greenhouse effects and climate change. Practice good science. That was good.
Okay, I turned it off. We'll do it again. Ready?
That was good. Go. Alright, yeah, start again.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
Okay. Here we go.
Nice.
And I'll on three. 1, 2, and give yourself a few seconds. Don't start right away because you'll cut it off. Ready?
All right.
1, 2.
You assholes.
Ooh.